Imagine you come home, you rush into your house because you only have an hour left to do that assignment that's due. However, your precious cat is screaming at you for attention. You have no clue what's wrong or what they want, and thus, this is how I'm going to help you care for your needy cat. Today, I will demonstrate to you how to take the necessary measures to care for a needy cat. In order to help both you and your cat, I will be explaining some tips and tricks in order to help control your cat's needy tendencies. Dealing with a needy cat can be a challenge, but do not let this challenge deter you from having a good relationship with your pet. First off, I will be going over on how to figure out why your cat is acting in such a needy manner. Second, I will go over on how to approach this behavior. And then lastly, I will be going over on when it is okay to actually indulge in their begging. First, I will be going over on how to figure out why your cat is acting in such a needy manner. Is your cat sick? While it is difficult for any owner to figure out what their pet is feeling, it is best to make sure that it's not an underlying health issue. Just like humans, according to the VCA hospital, they say that animals may withdraw or even become extra needy when they aren't feeling well. Then, even if you aren't completely sure whether or not it is normal behavior for your cat, it is best to go get them checked out by a professional. You also may have forgotten to tend to your cat, so they're just trying to let you know that they need you to help them. And it's possible that their food bowl or water bowl is empty, so they're just trying to let you know that it's time for you to fill it up. Cats also enjoy having a clean environment, and you may have forgotten to clean their litter box that day. So now that we have discussed the needs of your cat, we can now move on to how to actually approach this behavior. Second, I will go over on how to approach this behavior. Do not always give in to their demands. If you continue to reinforce the idea that they meow or scratch at your door, that you will come running over to open it or pet them, by then simply ignoring their meows, they will learn to just walk away. When giving in to their demands, be sure to do it on your own accord. Wait some time after their meows to give them a treat or a pet. Also, you have to make sure to spend enough time with them. While cats are independent, they still enjoy spending time with their owners, especially needy cats. Pets are living beings that require some sort of stimulation, whether it be playing with them every day for an hour or even just petting them, brushing their fur. It is best to actually play with them instead of leaving them to play with themselves. Lastly, I will be going over when it is okay to actually indulge in their behavior. Set a routine for the both of you so both of you know when it is playtime. While I am sure they will still bother you here and there, it'll help them know and relax that playtime is coming soon and that you're going to play with them. The routine will also help you avoid trying to squeeze in those times of affection and playtime in a short amount of time or whenever they come. The set times will also help them recognize that you are the one who says when it is okay to play or when it is okay to give them treats. Instead of your cat always approaching you first, be the one to approach them first. It is good to show your cat some love whenever you can, or at least when they're in the mood. Whenever they do something good, such as jumping off the table when you ask them to, or not scratching your couch, reinforce that good behavior. Give them a treat, or some pets, or even some kind words of affection. Now that you know how to help you and your cat bond in a better way that isn't so stressful for either of you, you learn how to figure out why your cat is acting that way, how to approach this behavior, and when it is okay to actually indulge in their behavior. Remember, keep an open mind and heart when it comes to the animals that you care about. While they are surely complex, be sure to be patient with them and yourself. Bye!